The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Luke, chapter 21, verses 5 to 11. When some were talking about the temple, remarking how it was adorned with fine stonework and votive offerings, Jesus said, "All these things you are staring at now, the time will come when not a single stone will be left on another. Everything will be destroyed." And they put to him this question, "Master," they said, when this when will this happen? Then what sign will there be that this is about to take place? Take care not to be deceived. He said, because many will come using my name and saying, "I am he," and the time is near at hand. Refuse to join them. And when you hear of wars and revolutions, do not be frightened, for this is something that must happen, but the end is not so soon. Then he said to them, "Nation will fight against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be great earthquakes and plagues and famines here and there. There will be fearful sights and great signs from heaven." The Gospel of the Lord. Today's both readings talk about the heavenly signs and the earthly destruction. In the first reading, we heard from the book of Daniel. Prophet Daniel was one of the four major prophets, one who has written the book. This is what we heard. And he is having a vision. And in that vision, he sees a strong statue made of gold, bronze, silver, iron. The strong statue. It seems it has got power, authority, strength. But this statue is symbolizing the earthly empires, the earthly kings or the earthly emperors, the rulers of the world. So mostly like example, the Babylonian king, the emperors, the Roman emperors, or the kings of the different countries, they look like so strong, powerful. But Daniel is saying that they will be destroyed, even though they look so strong, although they have got power, authority, dominion, everything, strength, but they will be destroyed. And he also sees that in the dream that God is going to establish his kingdom, which shall never be destroyed. So this is what he's telling about. Also, he also sees the Son of Man is coming in a cloud with power, authority, and glory, and his sovereignty will rule over the universe, and his kingdom will not come to an end. So this is what Prophet Daniel prophesied, and his prophecy was fulfilled in the life of Jesus. So in today's gospel, we find here, after visiting Jerusalem temple, Jesus and his disciples, they were going to Bethany. On the way, the disciples asked him, "What a beautiful temple. What a magnificent temple. So they were glorifying, seeing the beauty of the Jerusalem temple. But what Jesus says them, not when one stone will left over on another. So Jesus predicted about the destruction of the temple at Jerusalem. Even when he was sitting on the mount, seeing at the temple, he cried. Why did Jesus cry, seeing at the temple? Because the temple was built with the will of God to worship the true living God. The temple was not built with the will of the people, but God willed and God commanded them to build the temple. So Solomon built the temple. But later on, what has happened in the time of Jesus? The purpose of the temple was destroyed. As we know, the temple was used for buying and selling business, where corruption, exploitation started taking place. Then Jesus cleansed the temple and said, destroy this temple, destroy this sanctuary. In 3 days I will build it up. So, the prophecy of Jesus was fulfilled again just after 40 years. He prophesied about the destruction of temple. The temple was destroyed because of 2 reasons. The first reason is the people were not faithful to God. They were unfaithful.